This procedure is good for remove ESP from the soil. You better broadcast calcium hydroxide, and then you just fill up the water. Just cover the bottom. Make sure that water pH about at least 9 or to 9.5 or can reach to 10. By doing this, when pH is 9 or higher, the spore inside the spore will shoot everything out. And then after they shoot the polar filament, everything go out from the spore. They can no longer infect the shrimp. So all of the research that have been applied for the shrimp farmer, we give the funding from the government. Now this is research as well. If you raise the water 10 days, spore in the water of ESP will go down to the bottom. If you use only the upper water column, no problem.